Welcome to the delightful morning. Welcome to the land of love, laughter, and friendship, which is immorted with the child. Welcome to Chitrakuta. It's a great pleasure to start this auspicious occasion by heartily welcoming our chief guest, Mr. Putraju. He is very humble, down to earth, and epitome of love. He has been extremely supportive and well-wisher of Chitrakuta. So I welcome Mr. Putraju. I also welcome Mr. B. Kulkarni and Mrs. Brinda Kulkarni and K.R. Chandrika. I welcome our beloved principal, Mr. Chaitanya, and headmistress, Mrs. Joita. I extend my warm welcome to all the audience who have gathered here. Welcome to one and all. Now I request our chief guest, principal, and headmistress to come up on the stage to start this beautiful occasion by lighting the lamp. Now I request our beloved headmistress to speak few words.
Namaste. In Chitrakuta, we believe in instilling some values and tradition from very early age. We also believe that in spite of giving them something else, if we can create an inspiring environment of love, cooperation, making understanding each other, acceptance for each other, the child will definitely take that as the basic mantra of life. So we don't preach, we just usher love to them. We don't tell them not to do something, we let them how to do it, how to love life, how to enjoy. Families are not made with mere relationship, maybe birth relationship or marital relationship. Families are made with people who love you, who want you to be in their family. When we want you in our family, you want us in your family. That's how the CK is built. Today Chitrakuta is living the dream and vision only because you believed in us, you trust in us. I wholeheartedly welcome all of you, the world of Sneha Maya, the land of transformation, the land of love, the land of entrusting ourselves, the land of self-dependence and knowing each other. Just put your hands together for our little ones to rock the stage with their enthralling performance. Bless them. Thank you.
Child labor. Child labor is something unfortunate practice happening in Indian society, which deprives the children from their education, from the childhood, and also from the bright future what awaits them. Chitrakuta has owned up in the beginning of the year to work, to propagate, and to create the awareness against the child labor. Chitrakuta figured out the number of Aya's children, and for 2 children per Aya, Chitrakuta started funding their education. There are more than 20 Ayas in our school, my dear friends. That means I am talking about 40 to 45 children who are funded by Chitrakuta to be educated. Continuing to create the awareness in the society, Chitrakuta initiated a street play called Balakarmikasura, the child labor demon. We went ahead to the streets, to the malls, to the slums, on the roads, to the bus stops, and various other places trying to give this street play. And this street play became such a huge hit that we took the same street play to participate in the competition of CBSE Meet, where all the CBSE schools across Bangalore had participated. And Chitrakuta school children won the first prize for this street play. Now, we are about to start the pre-primary show. I would like to say it's a divine feeling seeing them performing. Apart from studies, our angels can do tremendous things. They are always on their toes to meet new challenges. Today, they will enjoy being on the spotlight. We are very proud and confident that each and every child will emerge like a star shining on this vast stage. Children are like a wet cement. Whatever falls on it creates an impression. Childhood is a magical journey of limitless creativity which they explore in a myriad ways. Our children are unique and special. Undoubtedly, they are more efficient and advanced in every way. Friends, today's celebration will bring a smile on your face and cheer up with full of joy and entertainment. So friends, fasten your seatbelts as our angels are going to take you to another world. I once again wholeheartedly welcome to this year's school day, Snehamaya. Dance. Dance is a hidden language of soul, which ignites fire in us. Dance is the poetry of foot. Dance is a passion. Now I have one question to you all. Can anybody answer what is ABCD? That's right, anybody can dance. But here in Chitrakuta, it is not ABCD. It is always EBCD. That means everybody can dance. So please put your hands together to welcome beautiful dancing teachers of Chitrakuta. Give up
കുളിച്ചു കുപ്പി വളയിട്ട് കുമ്മിയടിക്കാൻ വാ പുലരിത്തുടുപ്പുള്ള പുടവയുടുത്തിട്ട് തുമ്പി തുള്ളാൻ വാ കുളിച്ചു കുറിയിട്ട് കുപ്പി വളയിട്ട് കുമ്മിയടിക്കാൻ വാ പുലരിത്തുടുപ്പുള്ള പുടവയുടുത്തിട്ട് തുമ്പി തുള്ളാൻ വാ കുറിയിട്ട് കുപ്പി വളയിട്ട് കുമ്മിയടിക്കാൻ വാ പുലരിത്തുടുപ്പുള്ള പുടവയുടുത്തിട്ട് തുമ്പി തുള്ളാൻ വാ കുളിച്ചുകുറിയിട്ട് കുപ്പി വളയിട്ട് കുമ്മിയടിക്കാൻ വാ പുലരിത്തുടുപ്പുള്ള പുടവയുടുത്തിട്ട് തുമ്പി തുള്ളാൻ വാ തളിർ തഴുകിയൊഴുകുന്ന തെയ്യത്തകധിമി താളം നല്ല കുമ്മിയടിയുടെ താളം തെന്നലിളം തളിർ തഴുകിയൊഴുകുന്ന തെയ്യത്തകധിമി താളം നല്ല കുമ്മിയടിയുടെ താളം അരചന്തലിയുടെ വരവിൽ വഴിയുന്ന ഹൃദയത്തുടി മേളം എങ്ങും മദനത്തുടി മേളം അരചന്തലിയുടെ വരവിൽ വഴിയുന്ന ഹൃദയത്തുടി മേളം എങ്ങും മദനത്തുടി മേളം കുളിച്ചു കുറിയിട്ട് കുപ്പി വളയിട്ട് കുമ്മിയടിക്കാൻ പുലരിത്തുടുപ്പുള്ള പുടവയുടുത്തിട്ട് തുമ്പി തുള്ളാൻ കുളിച്ചു കുറിയിട്ട് കുപ്പി വളയിട്ട് കുമ്മിയടിക്കാൻ വാ പുലരിത്തുടുപ്പുള്ള പുടവയുടുത്തിട്ട് തുമ്പി തുള്ളാൻ വാ
Welcome to doctor. Now, our little doctor want to say something. What you do? You want to say something? You look so big and very handsome. You want to say something? No? So please put your hands together for Now, ನಿಮ್ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಓದಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದ್ರು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ವಾಸ್ತು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಕೊರವಂಜಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಣಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಅವಳು. ಸೊ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಎಸ್ ಕೊರವಂಜಿ. ಈ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಕೊರವಂಜಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಕೇಳೋಣವಾ? ಕಣಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಮ್ಮ, ಕಣಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಕಣಿ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? प्लीज put your hands together. खाने से पहले खाने के बाद हाथ धोना जरूरी है. And with what we wash our hands? Dettol. And welcome to the Dettol boy. Now, why we have to wash our hands, you know? पता नहीं है? आपको पता है? So sweet. Coming on the stage itself is a big achievement for this week. I heard somebody's mobile is lost over here. So I called police and we have very big police over here. Police Inspector Ritik. So he can find anything. So please put your hands together to Ritik. Aren't they looking so cute and beautiful? Give them a full round of applause. They are very special in their own way. I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. जिंदगी मेरा गाना, मैं किसी की दीवानी. When I think of this song, the person whom I can visualize is only Mithun Chakravarti, the disco dancer. But here, मैं किसी और की दीवानी हूँ, and they are not less than any Bollywood dancers. Please welcome the disco dancers of Ember Worship. With a huge round of applause.
दिल है मेरा दीवाना क्या, कहता है अब घबराना क्या, ताल पे जब झूमे बदन, हिचकिचाना शर्माना क्या, खुल के झूमो, खुल के गाओ, आओ आओ ये खुल के कहो. It's the time to disco. It's the time to disco. कौन मिले देखो किसको. It's the time to disco.
दिल है मेरा दीवाना क्या, कहता है अब घबराना क्या, ताल पे जब झूमे बदन, हिचकिचाना शर्माना क्या, खुल के झूमो, खुल के गाओ, आओ आओ ये खुल के कहो.
It's the time to disco. It's the time to disco. कौन मिले देखो किसको. It's the time to disco.
बलखाता है बदन, ऐसी जो ताल है, सांसों में चलती है आंधियां, बहकाता है ये मन, अब तो ये हाल है, मस्ती में खोए हैं हम यहाँ.
तुम भी खोके मस्त होके, कोई टोके तो खुल के कहो. It's the time to disco. It's the time to disco.
कह दो मिलो जिसको.
It's the time to disco.
There's something about tonight,
Brother on the dance floor.
something very special.
Brother likes to party.
Something about the way you move that thing.
Brother likes to move.
Something about the way you look at me. Ishq. Onda kukkad kamal da. T.I.S.C. Yo 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 yo. Baby you so sexy. Baby you so sexy. Baby you so sexy. You know it. So sing it. Ati bele, bele, aunque la voy Ati bele, you know it. So sing it. Ati bele, now throw your hands up and say. T.I.S.C. Yo yo yo. T.I.S.C. Yo yo yo. Something very special. Baby, you so sexy. So sing it. Now throw your hands up and say. T.I.S.C. T.I.S.C. अंकल आंटियां अपनी ऐसी यारियां दुनिया पे मिलती पाए मिल जाते हैं बहाने So sing it, I know your hands up and say
What a dhamakedar performance! And the participants are Arya Petkar, Devdutt, Devansh, Devdutt, Dhanya, Dheeraj, Lavit, Manasvi, Manoj, Namish, Niharika, Purvi, Sai Ashrita, Sutikshan. I told you earlier. A huge round of applause to all these kiddos. ನಾವಾಡುವ ನುಡಿಯೇ ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿ ಚಿನ್ನದ ನುಡಿ ಸಿರಿಗನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿ ನಾವಿರುವ ತಾಣವೇ ಗಂಧದ ಗುಡಿ ಅಂದದ ಗುಡಿ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆನ ಕೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಹಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ನುಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸುಂದರ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಾಡಿಗೆ ನೃತ್ಯ ಮಾಡಲು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ M2 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ತರಗತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಅವರನ್ನು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸೋಣ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ.
Yo people, welcome to Milana Colors of Love.
ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ಕನಸೊಂದು ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಂದು ಕುಣಿದಾಡಿದೆ ಎದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಹಿಯಾದ ಕೋಲಾಹಲ ನನ್ನೆದುರಲ್ಲೇ ನೀಗ ಬಂದಾದರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ತುಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಗುವಾಗುವ ಹಂಬಲ ಮನಿಂದಲೇ ಹಾಳಾದ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ 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 ಕನಸೊಂದು ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಂದು ಕುಣಿದಾಡಿದೆ ഇരുളಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ವರದಂತೆ ಕಾಡಿದ ಹಾಯಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿರುವೆ ಸರಿಯೇನು ಬೇಕಂತಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನೋ ಮೂಡಿ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲೋ ನೋಡುವ ಪರಿಯೇನು ಈ ಮಾಯೆಗೆ ಈ ಮರುಳಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ ಕಳೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ಕನಸೊಂದು ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ ಜೊತೆಯಲಿ 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 ಜೊತೆ ಜೊತೆಯಲಿ ಇರುವೆನು ಹೀಗೆ ಎಂದು ಹೊಸ ಹರುಷವ ತರುವೆನು ಇನ್ನು ಎಂದು
ಎಂಥ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ ಎಂದು ನೀ ಎಂಥ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಭಾವನೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವೆನು ಹೀಗೆ ಎಂದು
Gota. Don't mess with crack or the baking soda. Whether in the high rise where you live like Rota, in the shack. Once again, it's all like a brand new form. You need TBT boys here to keep you all warm. Yo, you need that. ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವೆನು ಹೀಗೆ ಎಂದು ಬಾಬಾ ಬಾಬಾ ನಾ ನಾ ನಾ
ಎಂಥ ಸುಂದರ ದೃಶ್ಯ ಕಾವ್ಯವಿದು. ಈ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅಭಿನವ್, ಆಕಾಂಕ್ಷಾ, ಅನರ್ಘ್ಯ, ಅನಿರುದ್ಧ, चारवी, चिंतन, दिया, लक्ष्मी, प्रणव, श्रीधृति, सूर्या, आध्या, अथर्व आनंद, आर्ना, हेमल, कुनीशा, लिखित बालाजी, प्रहलाद, प्रेक्षा, सुकृति सागर, उन्नति and Virtus. Thank you all. The hip hop, the rebel legs, the magic mic. Do you know what does all these words mean? They are the signature moves of rock and roll dancers. Please welcome our M1 second shift children who are going to drive you crazy. Please put your hands together.
जाने तू हुआ ये जादू कैसे, जो मेरा था वो खो गया, जो तेरा मिल गया वो जैसे। इस दिल ने जब जाना के बस तू
What an explosive moment and crazy feat. Give them a huge round of applause. Now, let's see the names of these rock and roll dancers. Arush, Aisiri, Arnav, Chinmay Gowda, Disha, Hitansh, Manjunath, Raghavendra, Tanvi, Dakshinesh, Sutikshan, Sukita, and Hiranmai. Thank you all. Now they are very, very, very happy with their parents. Great dancers are not great because of their techniques. They are great because of their passion towards dancing. Today we can see the marvelous dancers on the stage. They are going to draw the strings of your heart. So please welcome our M2 second shift children with a big round of applause.
श्रीआञ्जनेयं प्रसन्नाञ्जनेयं श्रीरामदूतं महाकायवीरं प्रणयविनडयलि आञ्जनेय असुरर ಎದುರಿಸು ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಗಗನವಿ ಜರುಗಲಿ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಗಡಗಡ ನಡುಗಿಸು ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಧರ್ಮ ಉಳಿಸು ಸತ್ಯ ಮೆರೆಸು ವಜ್ರದೇಹಿ ಬಾರೋ ಜಯ 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 ಬಜರಂಗಿ DJ Hanumal Lati Jai 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 Bajrangi Patavana Raghunath Kalati Jai 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 Bajrangi Dali Buddha Mahabaladai Jai 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 Bajrangi Saikanake Prabhu Sada Sahai Subhana Kesari Nandana Teja Pratap Mahajagavandana Ramaduta Atulit Baladama Anjani Putra Bhavana Sutanama Jai Hanuman Jai Hanuman ಭುಜಬಲವ ತೋರಿ ನಿಂತೋನೆ ಭವಭಯವಾನಿ ಗುಬಾ ಜೈ ಶಿವರೂಪನೆ ಬಜರಂಗಿ ಜೈ ಜೈ ಭವತಾರಕ ಬಜರಂಗಿ ನರ ನರವು ರಾಮ ಎಂದೋನೆ ನಿಜ ಗುಣವ ತೋರುಬ ನಿನದೇನೆ ಶಕುತಿ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ನಿನಗೆ ಘನವಾಗಿ ಜಿಗಿದೆ ಕಡಲಾಚೆಗೆ ಬಲೆ ಮಾರುಗಳ ತಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ರಣರಾವಣ ರಾಮನ ಮೀರುತ್ತಿದೆ ಜಯ ಮಾರುತಿ ನೀನೇ ಗತಿ ಬಾಬಾರ ಬಾಳ ಸಾರಥಿ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಜಯ
ಘಲ್ಲು ಘಲ್ಲೆನು ದಾವ್ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಘಲ್ಲು ಘಲ್ಲೆನು ದಾವ್ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ
ಏನ್ ಚಂದಾನೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕಲ್ಲು ಕಲ್ಲೆಂತಾವ್ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಏನ್ ಚಂದಾನೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕಲ್ಲು ಕಲ್ಲೆಂತಾವ್ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಜಾನಪದ ಪದ ಕೇಳನ್ನು
ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಮೂಡಿತೋ ಕೋಳಿ ಕೂಗಿತೋ ಬಾನಿಗೇರಿತೋ ರಂಗು ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹೈದರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿದೆ ಯಾರಿಗೇನಿದೆ ಹಂಗು
ಘಲ್ಲು ಘಲ್ಲೆನು ದಾವ್ ದೋಸ್ತಿ ಘಲ್ಲು ಘಲ್ಲೆನು ದಾವ್ ಮಸ್ತಿ ಕುಸ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೋಸ್ತಿ ಘಲ್ಲು ಘಲ್ಲೆನು ದಾವ್
ಏನ್ ಚಂದಾನೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕಲ್ಲು ಕಲ್ಲೆಂತಾವ್ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಏನ್ ಚಂದಾನೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕಲ್ಲು ಕಲ್ಲೆಂತಾವ್ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ
ಘಲ್ಲು ಘಲ್ಲೆನು ದಾವ್ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಘಲ್ಲು ತಾ ಜುಡುತ್ತಾ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಘಲ್ಲು ತಾ ಜಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಲ್ಲಿದ ರಂಗಂಗಲ್ಲಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದರೋ ಕುಳಿಯೋ ನಂಗಲ್ಲಿದ ರಂಗಂಗಲ್ಲಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದರೋ ಕುಳಿಯೋ
ಗುಂಪು ಗುಂಪಲಿ ಗೌರಿ ಗಂಗೆ ಬಣ್ಣ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಚಿಟ್ಟೆ ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಸಾಲಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಕಣ್ಣು ಗಂಡು ಹೈಕಳು ಬೆಪ್ಪಾದವ್ರೆ ಬೆರಗು ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಅವರೆ ದಾವಣಿಲೆ ಬೀಸುತ್ತಾರೆ ಹೈಕಳು
ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಊಟ ಉಣ್ಣಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಹಬ್ಬದೂಟ ತಳ್ಳಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಲೆಂಕ ಜಗಳ ಆಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ
ಘಲ್ಲು ಘಲ್ಲೆನು ದಾವ್ ದೋಸ್ತಿ ಘಲ್ಲು ಘಲ್ಲೆನು ದಾವ್ ಮಸ್ತಿ ಕುಸ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೋಸ್ತಿ ಘಲ್ಲು ಘಲ್ಲೆನು ದಾವ್
What a command on their steps. Wasn't it a marvelous performance? One more big round of applause to all of these. And the participants are Kaushik Gowda, Monisha, Nityashri, Vismita, Nandan, Chirag, Samhita, Shriya, Sanvi, Skanda, Saurabh, Sonakshi, Tanvi, and Tanish. The person whom I would like to call brings vigor in us to infuse new ideas and transferring it in every aspect of life. His actions and words inspire others and gives the positive reputation to uphold the values. His experiences and credentials in every aspect are just tremendous. His most endearing quality is childlike simplicity and genuine good nature. A strong leader who understands the importance of building leadership quality in others. An ideal of knowledge. Please put your hands together to welcome our beloved principal who is going to introduce the next M3 play. Mr. Chaitanya.
Warm good morning to you all. Thank you. God created human beings seeing his own image. He loves human beings so much that he wanted to give all the potential what he had into the human beings. Then he created needs in human beings. A need, hunger, clothing, shelter. But there was a basic need above all. That was a need to be happy. Maybe there is nobody in this auditorium who will say, I don't want to be happy. Everybody wants to be happy. So God now had a choice where to hide this happiness so that people don't easily get it. So he called his council members, made them all sit down, and he had the discussion. So all human beings would need happiness, and where shall we hide it? One of them said, Sir, shall we keep it deep inside the ocean so that they cannot find it? But God had the forethought. He said, they would come up with submarines and stuff like that and go in, so may not help. So shall I put it on the moon, in the space? Someday they're going to fly. They're going to conquer the moon and the Mars, so maybe that's also not a good place to keep. Then they unanimously concluded, let us hide happiness inside the human being, so that he shall go around searching for it everywhere, and he shall not find it. Only the wise one, the realized one, would care to look into himself and probably find the happiness. JSS beautifully has told in her song, Yello hudukide illada devara kallu mannugala gudiyolage. Ille iruva preeti snehavanu guritisadadenu nammolage. The happiness is between me and you. The happiness is in the relationship with me, with myself. The happiness is in the relationship with me and you. And our M3 students did a lot of research on happiness. And they created a happy land. And here they are to showcase a play. At the age of 5.5, many schools don't venture into making a drama play with this age. So at the age of 5.5, they are trying to portray what are the basic essential contents to have a happy land. What do you need? You need cooperation. You need respect. You need acceptance, accommodation, adjustment. What all do we need to make our land a happy land? Said by the wise one, that there is no heaven above, there is no hell below. There is one here you are living in. Define what it has to be, a heaven or a hell for yourself. So it's a proud moment for me to present in front of you the drama from our M3 children, Happy Land. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
The song you sing, pressing your wings, is the joy you bring that keeps us working with summer or spring. Birds, 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 to praise you, there are no words. You are beautiful, so are you. You are colorful, so are you. Our lives are short. We are nature's nice piece of art. The nectar you give us is so sweet. Your visit to us is a big treat. You march one by one in search of food under the sun. You work so hard when the sky is dry to keep hunger out. When the ugly clouds cry, you're a best sign for cooperation. You're a best sign for cooperation. And that's why you are our inspiration. So this calls for a celebration. Does anybody know what time it is? Yes, it's the time to be happy. The time to be happy is now. And the place to be happy is here. And the way to be happy is to make someone happy. And we'll have a little heaven right here. The time to be happy is now, and the place to be happy is here. And the way to be happy is to make someone happy, and we'll have a little heaven right here. We'll have a little heaven right here. We'll have a little heaven right here. The time to be happy is now, and the place to be happy is here. And the way to be happy is to make someone happy, and we'll have a little heaven right here. We'll have a little heaven right here. We'll have a little heaven right here. Hello, friends! Thank you, friends, for calling me. This is really a wonderful land to see. You a drop of tear? Who called you here? Go away, go away. In our land you cannot stay. You bring sadness everywhere. About you, why should we care? Why should we care? We are together because of our cooperation. your toleration. Look, it is so quiet. I will have enough when they start the fight. Ha 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 ha. Oh, how can this happen? It was so cozy and warm. Could you not hold my nest in your strong arm? It was the strong wind that blew away your nest. I could not stand the wind's test. How could it do this to me? It was the wind, not me. I have built my home with love and care. But what you did, is not fair. Stop it! Don't blame. You don't remain the same. I gave you food. I gave you shelter. But now, all that did not matter. Go away, go away. In this land, we will never stay. You look clumsy. So were you. You look filthy. So were you. You're so ugly. So were you. From an ugly caterpillar to a beautiful flower, I helped you in your journey. Now you forget all that and call me funny? I gave you nectar to fill your stomach. Now you forget all that and treat me like yuck. Go away, go away. In this land, we will never stay. Now you all know my power on your life. So called happily. Only sadness, tears will shower. Before you were all together. Now you cannot stand each other. Now you will all fear. That's why I am the tear. Ha 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 ha. We march one by one. Ho! Where is everyone?
Listen, please. Why is there fight and not peace? They broke my home and made me homeless. I can't have a friend so colorless. They blame us for something which is not my fault. That's why our friendship has come to a halt. Is this the result of the cooperation? Somebody is testing our toleration. But who? But who? It's me.
You? But why?
In your land, I wanted a place. So I blew a strong wind which you could not face. By doing this, you think you can rule? Sorry, my friend, you are such a fool. Friends. Beautiful or ugly, friend is a friend. Friends. Build your nest again. This is not the end. Every difficulty we can fight if every one of us will unite. Tear is not always bad. It does not come only when we are sad. Even when the happiness comes by, we have tear in our eye. To cooperate with each other, if you learn, then happiness will return. Oh, now we realize.
Does anybody know what time it is? Yes, it's the time to be happy.
The time to be happy is now, and the place to be happy is here. And the way to be happy is to make someone happy, and we'll have a little heaven right here. The time to be happy is now, and the place to be happy is here. And the way to be happy is to make someone happy, and we'll have a little heaven right here. We'll have a little heaven right here. We'll have a little heaven right here.
What time did you say it was? It's the time to be happy.
The time to be happy is now, and the place to be happy is here. And the way to be happy is to make someone happy, and we'll have a little heaven right here. We'll have a little heaven right here. We'll have a little heaven right here.
Wow, what a command on their acting. They were really natural and born talented. Now let's see the participants. Advika, Sanjana, Paviksha, Vineet, Manit, Kushal, Pranav Sai, Tapan, Lisha, Dhriti, Maulya, Shraddha, Mansi, Aksa, Sahana, Harshini, Shreyas, Rishi, Bhuvaneshwari, Chirag, Janvi, Sai Charan, Rajat, Prabhav Sai, and Daksh. Huge round of applause. And thank you all. Ladies and gentlemen, the next person whom I would like to introduce to you all and acknowledge his service to Chitrakuta is multi-talented and multi-facilitated. He is He involves himself in various activities. He is a parent of a child who is studying in Chitrakuta. He is a teacher for the students who are studying in Chitrakuta. He works in the serials. Basically, he is a writer and writes for mega serials. Above all, he has a passion towards child theatre. Child theatre is something which gives him lot of pleasure and inner satisfaction. And that is why he is so strongly associated with Chitrakuta from past 11 years. Needless to say, he is a person who choreographed and composed the music of today's M3 play Happy Land and also the street play Balakarmikasura. So friends, please put your hands together to welcome Dr. Kashyap on stage. Thank you, Kashyap. The person who helps the children to find a song in their heart and beats on their foot. Passion for life. He is a person who believes dance is a passion which is there in everyone's heart. And please put your hands together to welcome our dance teacher, Mr. Dinesh. Thank you, Dinesh. She is an engineering graduate with distinction. She worked for an MNC. She quit her job and dedicated herself completely for dancing. She is also a parent of a child who is studying in Chitrakuta. She is a director of Kalamshu Music and Dance Institution. And she is a person who choreographed today's teacher's dance. Please welcome Natya Mayuri Vidushi Supriya Hariprasad on the stage. Thank you, Supriya. The next person helps the children to express their emotions. She believes acting is not a state of being, but it's a state of appearing to be. She becomes one among them and fills the whole environment with rainbow colors. Please welcome our theatre teacher, Brinda. Thank you, Brinda. This stage is very auspicious, and it was my privilege to be here spending most memorable time with the Googlies. Any program cannot achieve success without imparting sufficient training to the students. So I wholeheartedly thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff for their help, cooperation and guidance. I thank all the beautiful audience for your overwhelming love and support. Heartfelt thanks to the chief guest, principal and headmistress for supporting to make this show a huge success. I thank all once again. Thank you all. Have a great day.